Hello guys, how to change your Gmail password on Windows 11 and Windows 10 system, any of your Windows PC system. And to change your Gmail address, first open your Gmail account, go to your Google Chrome browser and open Gmail. We will change password from your Gmail account page. Here click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose manage your Google account. You can also manage your Google account direct from your Google, but we will see here how to manage your Google account through Gmail. Here go to security tab from the top menu bar and click on security tab and scroll down and you will find how to use sign in. Here you will find option password, click on it and in a new page you will be asked to change your password and also confirm your password. Choose a strong password and confirm your password, and password should at least 8 characters. Don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. And finally confirm your password and click on change password. Your Gmail account password will successfully change to a new password. That's all.